We're now preparing the zip to put into your purse, and one key bit of kit that we absolutely love for this job is 1/8 of an inch basting tape. It's double-sided tape that's narrow, and it means you can secure your zip in place before you get to the machine, and it just saves a lot of stress and worry and makes the zip going really nicely. So first of all, you take it, comes on a little roll like this. They're normally £3 or £4 in the UK to buy, and you put the sticky edge right along the edge of your zip, so it's easier actually if this is a little bit further down, and then you simply position it like this and make your way along the edge of the zip. So at the moment this part isn't sticky, and you want to leave it like this until you're ready to put it into position, but you can actually put the tape on all edges of the zip, so on here and on here, and then turn it over and do the same on both sides on the underneath of the zip, because actually this purse is lined, so if it's sticky on both sides, that makes a good job.